France sets new record in nuclear fusion research. French scientists have made a big step forward in the search for clean energy. On February 12th, they were able to keep hydrogen atoms in a state called plasma for 22 minutes. This new record was 1,337 seconds long and is 25% longer than the previous one set in China. The experiment was done by the French Atomic Energy Commission, CEA, and experts say it brings us closer to making nuclear fusion a real source of energy. Nuclear fusion is the same kind of reaction that powers the sun. It happens when the centers of two atoms join together to make a new, heavier atom. This reaction produces a large amount of energy. Scientists believe fusion could become a powerful, clean, and safe energy source. But controlling it is very hard because it needs extremely high temperatures, over 100 million degrees Celsius. To do the experiment, the French team used a machine called a tokamak. This device is shaped like a ring and is designed to handle the extreme heat. Inside, hydrogen atoms are heated to 50 million degrees to create plasma. Powerful magnets hold the plasma in place. According to Anne-Isabelle Etienne, head of fundamental research at the CEA, the team is now able to control both the creation and the maintenance of plasma. Even with this progress, there are still many challenges. Plasma can become unstable and cause energy loss. Scientists will now try to increase how long they can keep the plasma stable and also heat it to even higher temperatures. Their research will help support work on ITER, a large international fusion project in southern France. Although ITER has faced delays, researchers hope that these recent successes will help move the project forward. Vocabulary list. 1. Scientist, a person who studies or works in science. Example, scientists are trying to find new ways to produce clean energy. 2. Plasma, a very hot state of matter where gas becomes charged with electricity. Example, the experiment kept the hydrogen atoms in a plasma state for 22 minutes. 3. Record, the best or highest achievement ever reached. Example, France set a new record for keeping plasma stable. 4. Atomic, related to atoms or nuclear energy. Example, the experiment was led by the French Atomic Energy Commission. 5. Nuclear fusion, a process where two atomic nuclei join to form a heavier one, releasing energy. Example, nuclear fusion is the same process that powers the sun. 6. Reaction, a chemical or physical process that causes a change. Example, fusion is a type of nuclear reaction. 7. Source, where something comes from or begins. Example, fusion could be a future source of clean energy. 8. Temperature, how hot or cold something is. Example, plasma needs to be kept at a very high temperature. 9. Machine, a device with moving parts that is used to do work. Example, the team used a machine called a tokamak. 10. Magnet, an object that produces a magnetic field and can attract metals. Example, strong magnets are used to hold the plasma in place. 11. Maintain, maintenance, to keep something working or in a good condition. Example, scientists were able to maintain the plasma for 22 minutes. 12. Unstable, not steady or not under control. Example, plasma can become unstable at very high temperatures. 13. Delay, when something happens later than planned. Example, the ITER project has had many delays. 14. International, involving many countries. Example, ITER is an international project with teams from all over the world. 15. Challenge, a difficult task or problem. Example, controlling plasma is one of the biggest challenges in fusion research.